Unraveling Quadratic Equations. Dive into algebra. Hey there! Welcome back to our series on the ACT Math Test. Today, we're going to tackle an essential topic in the Intermediate Algebra and Coordinate Geometry section, Quadratic Equations and Inequalities. Let's get started. A quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of the second degree. The general form is x2 plus bx plus c equals 0, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, x2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Where AAA, BBB, and CCC are constants, and AAA is not equal to 0. This might look complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll be confidently solving these equations. For a quadratic equation, solutions can be found using 1. Factoring. 2. Using the quadratic formula x equals minus b plus or minus b2 minus 4ac 2x equals frac b pm sqrt b squared minus 4ac 2a x equals 2a minus b plus or minus b2 minus 4ac. Or 3. Completing the square. Each method has its advantages, so choose the one that fits best for the given problem. Quadratic equations result in parabolic graphs. The highest or lowest point is called the vertex. The line of symmetry is a vertical line that passes through the vertex. If AAA is positive, the parabola opens upwards, and if AAA is negative, it opens downwards. This can help you visualize the solutions or roots of the equation on a graph. Just like equations, we can have quadratic inequalities. They might look something like x2 plus bx plus c greater than 0, x squared plus bx plus c greater than 0, x2 plus bx plus c greater than 0. Or x2 plus bx plus c less than 0, x squared plus bx plus c less than 0, x2 plus bx plus c less than 0. The process involves finding the roots and then testing the intervals created by these roots. Remember, the solutions are often in the form of intervals on the number line. There you have it, a quick overview of quadratic equations and inequalities for the ACT Math Test. Quadratics might seem challenging at first, but with practice, you'll master them in no time. We hope you found this video insightful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.